Hey guys, Arshan here. I've been getting this question about my maxforlive device, this gamepad mapping device for Xbox 360 and PS4 controllers. And the question I've been getting is that why the UI doesn't look like the ones I post in my videos. And there's a simple explanation here. So basically, some people when get the maxforlive device and they want to open it, they see something like this, and this is the default colors of the gamepad JavaScript UI object which Max has provided. So in order to change its colors and do whatever we want, we have to deal with it in JavaScript. So here we have the gamepad object in Max, and if we click on its help, we can see this UI object here, and we can just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is a JSUI object, JavaScript UI, which basically you can draw anything you want, and works with JavaScript, and we don't really need to get in depth of that. But basically, this is what we're dealing with, the default. So if I double click on this in locked mode, I can see here that there's the JavaScript code which someone in Cycling 74 has put the time and actually drawn this for us. So thanks to him or her. And basically this is the whole code for this object. And we can see here as a comment, which it indicates that if we want to change the colors, basically we have to do them in a method called paint in JavaScript here, and it's a bit tricky. We can't really use simple messages right now to send to our JSUI object here, but we can change this code a bit, alter it, and do whatever we want with the colors. So to be more comfortable, I'm gonna open this in VS Code. So how you can find this JS file? If you see the name is gamepad_wiz.js. So if you search for it in your documents, you can find it in your C74 and under gamepad object So I'm gonna open this with Visual Studio. We have our code right here now. So basically what I'm gonna do is to put these two as comments. And we do this so we don't really lose the original code. Of course, you can also save another version of this. And here, if we go into the inspector, you can choose your file here. You can do that, or just comment these and just save it so it generates, refreshes instantly. So let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to define some variations, variables, like let's call it like it's called FG color, and let's give it something like white. And yeah, then I'm gonna give it another variable named my or anything else, sorry, named my or anything else you want to call it, FG color. And basically it's the same as the one above. We're gonna find out what this one is for. So we're giving it a white value, and now we're gonna give it a variable for background color. And let's do it transparent. So 0, and also another variable like my underline BG color that is also transparent. So now we have or these variables defined. We have to indicate a function. Let's do it somewhere like here. And also we can just like comment I added these, so we know what we've added. If we want to redo or anything else, so I can do this here also. Okay, so we're gonna define our function, which is basically what we can communicate with via messages in Max. So let's say function set underline my FG color, sorry, function set my FG color and RGB alpha, and let's open up our curly bracket. We can now say my FG color is as we had it before, white, and for the outlet, sorry. For the outlet, we're gonna say, where is it? Weird. Okay, I was entering 0. That was the problem. Okay, so for outlet, I'm gonna include outlet 0 and our RGBA, and that's it. And I'm gonna add refresh. So it refreshes it, basically bangs every time we change something. And so this is our first function for our foreground color, and we're gonna need another function for our background color, which is practically the same. We can just copy paste this and change this one to BG, and we don't need these outlets anymore. And this one also gets BG. We have to change these values. Zero, and refresh. We'll have our refresh, and that's it. So now we've established our functions here. There's just one more thing we're gonna do, and it's practically the same thing as the script instructs us to do if we want to change the colors. It says do it in Paint, handle it in Paint. So we're gonna do that. So let's see, where is the Paint method? It's a long code, relatively. Let's find it. Okay, here. So you can see the function paint. We're gonna simply put these into comments again, and let's say I added these, and we're gonna say that our FG color is or my underline FG color, and vice versa, BG color is my underline BG color. So there we have it. This should work right now, I guess. We don't need to do anything else right now. So I'm gonna save it. And let's see if the code, yes, the code's updated. Okay, so now we had these functions set my BG color, for example. So now we can do a message set my BG color, and for example, give it a value what we had in the script, and let's see. Yes, as you can see, it's now transparent. So this is basically it. We can give our desired values for any color we want, for either our background color or with the message for set my foreground color. We can change like this white outline that the gamepad has, and this is basically it. So if we come here now, you can see that the UI is looking as it should. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this one, and you can grab this simple gamepad controller maxforlive device from my Patreon, both for when you get it, you'll download both the patches for Xbox 360 and PS4 controller, and you can use them as you wish. So if you've done anything with them, don't forget to tag me. I'd like to see what you've done. See you in the next videos.